Welcome back, NotebookLM lovers. Today, we decode the machine. Look, this is a tool that's promising to fundamentally change how we all work with information. So whether you're already one of us or you're just trying to figure out what all the hype is about, you are in exactly the right place. Let's dive in.
So here's our journey today, broken down into 3 parts. First, we're going to look at the vision, right? The incredible tech that's behind all the hype. Then, we'll hit the hurdles, the reality check that every serious user really needs to hear. And finally, the playbook. This is where I give you the actionable workflows to make you a power user, starting right now.
Okay, let's get right into it. To really truly get what NotebookLM is all about, you have to understand the powerhouse that's running under the hood, Gemini 1.5 Pro. And listen, we're not just talking about another summarization tool. No way! This is a fundamental shift, and it's all powered by a massive, and I mean massive, 10 million token context window and a brand new architecture called Ring Attention.
This quote, this right here captures the entire vision. It's all about intelligence augmentation. It's not trying to replace your thinking. It's designed to amplify it. The whole goal is to give a single person, you, the analytical power of an entire research team. It's about elevating your own intelligence, not just outsourcing it.
And that amplification, it all starts with what this thing can ingest. I mean, just look at this. It's built for the beautiful chaos of a modern workflow. You've got your Google Docs, your PDFs, websites, but here's the kicker. It could even pull information directly from the content of YouTube videos and audio files. This is exactly what makes the framework universal. You can synthesize insights from pretty much any digital source you can throw at it.
Okay, and this right here is the secret sauce that guarantees quality. It's called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or, RAG. The easiest way to think about it is like a factual integrity filter. The AI is literally chained to the documents you provide. It can only pull information from your sources. That means it can't just make stuff up. And what you get is a verifiable, trustworthy output. It's how we turn that big, messy sea of information into grounded, rock-solid intelligence. But you know what they say, with great power comes the need for great precision. And that brings us to our reality check. This is where we're going to explore how you can master the tool's constraints and really level up from being just a passive user to a true power user.
So what is the reality check? Well, the reality is, even with a mind-blowing 10 million token context window, there are still constraints. This isn't magic, right? But mastering these constraints, that is the key to unlocking the absolute full potential of NotebookLM. It's not about the tool's limitations, it's about how you can work with it to get those truly elite-level results.
This is something I like to call the passive user trap. You've seen it. You just throw in a huge, messy file, ask a really vague question, and you get a generic answer back. And then what happens? You blame the tool. The power user, the alpha user, on the other hand, they understand the system's limits. They have what we'll call the alpha mindset. They don't fight the constraint, they master it. So here's a crucial point. Understanding what I call the context control filter. When you upload a single massive source, let's say a 500-page book, the AI might miss a really subtle but important detail on page 12 because it's focusing on something on page 450. The solution? Proactive segmentation. It's simple. Before you upload your most critical texts, just break them into logical chapters or sections. This ensures every single part gets the attention it deserves. All right, the second key to absolutely mastering this thing, you have to program your prompt. I mean, it's simple, right? A world-class output always starts with a world-class input. So just follow this 4-step framework every single time. 1. Give the AI a persona. Who should it be? 2. Give it context. What's the background here? 3. Give it a task. What exactly should it do? And 4. Give it a format. How do you want the output to look? You do this, and I promise you, your results will go from meh, that's generic, to wow, that's genuinely insightful. All right, now that we understand the vision and we know how to master the constraints, let's get to the playbook. This is where the theory becomes practice. We're talking concrete, actionable workflows that really show the power of this new way of thinking.
For all you academics out there, think of this as a research accelerator. Imagine becoming a literature review specialist overnight. You can upload 50 different research papers and ask something like, synthesize the primary arguments from all these sources and then identify the single most significant gap in the current literature. And here's your alpha tip. Prompt the AI to act as a skeptical peer reviewer to really rigorously challenge the assumptions in your own sources.
And in the business world, this tool can streamline some seriously complex workflows.
You could be a competitive analyst, feeding it your competitors' websites and white papers to instantly compare their strategies. Or maybe you're a content specialist, transforming dense technical documents into easy-to-read blog posts. But let's zero in on one particularly powerful use case. So imagine this. You're a chief strategist. You get handed a 100-page market analysis an hour before a big board meeting. Instead of frantically speed reading, you just upload it and use the audio overview feature. Within minutes, you have a podcast-style summary of the key strategic insights ready to listen to on your way to the office. Now that is intelligence augmentation in action.
And that's the whole point. This is how we go from informational chaos to verifiable control. It's about moving beyond just endlessly searching for things and stepping into a new era of focused, grounded synthesis.
Don't just watch. Synthesize. Subscribe to join the revolution. Like to beat the algorithm. Share to save a friend from tab fatigue. We are NotebookLM lovers. Let's get to work.
So there you have it. You have the vision, you've got the reality check, and you have the playbook. The only real question left is, with all this power at your fingertips, what are you going to synthesize first?